Mrs. Harriet Chemtai, chairperson of the Electoral Management Committee of the National Unity Platform, announced that the deadline for submitting expression of interest forms has been extended to July 25, 2025. The extension follows complaints from several contestants about delays by the Uganda National Examinations Board in issuing and verifying academic documents. The committee believes the additional time will allow candidates to resolve these issues before nominations.
The Election Management Committee wishes to appreciate the thousands of Ugandans who have expressed interest in running for the various positions under the National Unity Platform. While the numbers have been overwhelming, we have received requests from many people who could not beat the deadline for the various reasons.
The chairperson also urged all candidates to avoid returning the expression of interest forms in large numbers. She also requested that each candidate be accompanied by not more than 10 supporters, as other party activities will be taking place at the headquarters.
Those who will be submitting the expression of interest at the party headquarters are requested not to come with more than 10 supporters, as there will be other party activities ongoing.
She further noted that all electoral positions nationwide are being contested from the lowest at the local council level to the highest offices. Unlike previous elections, she emphasized that the National Unity Platform is now well prepared with candidates from across the country, not just the central region. She added that the party is still compiling the list of interested participants and most positions are already being contested by multiple aspirants.
People have shown interest in most of the positions. They have expressed interest in most of the positions from local council 3 upwards. All those positions have been, people have shown interest in them. And when you talk of the constituencies with the highest number of people who have applied for, what should I say when it comes to that? We are still compiling, but we have constituencies that have more than one candidate.
The chairperson explained that one of the key reasons for extending the deadline is that some candidates are voluntarily stepping down in favor of others they believe are better suited to represent the people. She noted that this reconciliation is already happening even before the party officially begins its harmonization process.
The process has already started. We are having candidates who are already starting to harmonize amongst themselves, coming to us and saying, EMC, I had gone for this position, but I am thinking maybe the other person would perform well in that same position. So why can't I withdraw, or why can't I go for this position? So these candidates are already doing that. So that's why it's also one of the reasons that we've considered.
She condemned the continued arrest of NUP candidates simply for wearing party overalls, calling it an act of government impunity, emphasizing that there is no harm in candidates wearing overalls during campaigns, and warned that, come 2026, NUP members are prepared to defend their votes, referred to as Protest Vote 2026, even at the cost of their lives.
Shame on this government. Shame upon this government for arresting our people. If somebody puts on an attire that is not of the military, what is wrong with that? What is wrong with our people putting on overalls? Why should they have to be embarrassed? And we are going for protest vote. Come 2026, we are willing to protect the vote. It is not going to happen the way we are ready to protect the vote, even if it means protecting it with our lives. We are ready. As NUP, we are ready, and we are going to change the whole.
Compiled by Bob Muhoma for Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.